3, 2, and...
Hello. Good morning. Welcome to Double Take Back News. I'm Logan Lee, and I'll be telling you the news from coast to coast. In words, Britney Spears finally got her hair back. Sorry about that. The chemo really worked. And, and in other words, Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt finally adopted another Haiti baby. Come on, guys! Get over it! You need counseling! Now, let's walk over here. The Japan kids, after the devastating earthquake, never got their little toys. Now, let's go to Garrison with the weather. No, with the sports. Yeah.
Thanks, Logan. Someone get him.
Hey, get back here.
Kids these days. Well, in other words, Butler lost again because they suck. And they didn't win. Obviously.
Hey, over here, guys. And here's Jameson-Weather with weather. Dun dun dun.
Thank you, Logan. Well, it's flooding down here in southern Indiana. No.
Alright, now back to me. No, I'm just kidding.